Hello, how you doing? This is RJS Roofing, and we're currently at 81 Bentridge Court, Lawrenceville, Georgia. We are at Anthony Smith's home, and we're about to do a repair test on, see that shingle right there? So he's gonna go ahead and mark it, and he's gonna start unsealing the surrounding shingles. See, the roof is very, it has a lot of granules in this. Very brittle, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an overview of the front side. See that? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the first nail. Okay, you can see all that granules right here forming. Those forming on the left side, it's a good amount. Towards the middle too. As you can see right there, a little bit of mat breaking. So you can tap it, you see all that granules forming. Okay, so right here as well, the same thing. Not so much towards the left side, just a good amount on the towards the middle. As you can see right here, there's a line forming. So you took out the nail, just, and also on the right side, a little bit of mat breaking. As you can see that line forming. Okay. Yeah, that nail was very driven in. As you can see right here, we have some granules towards the middle. A little bit on the left side, of course, as you can see right there. See that line forming, as you can see that. Notice just a little bit of tap. We have a lot of granules. Look, as you can see that. Okay, so he took that nail out right here, as you can see, and it formed the mat breaking line forming from the left side towards the middle, a little bit on the right side as well, as you can see right there. Okay. There was no nail there, as you can see, but you can see that line that formed right here. As you can see right here. Just trying to pull up the nail that wasn't there. Okay, and right here as well, on the left side, there's a lot of mat breaking going on here, as well as towards the right side. You can see this transparent line forming right here. As you tap it, we have a lot of granules. As you can see that right there. And I'm going, as you can see, very gentle on the shingle. Okay. And I believe this is our last nail. Okay. So it's gonna go ahead and take off the shingle, and we'll be replacing it with a same 3-tap shingle. As you can see right there, the mat line forming right there as well. Okay. I'm not sure in the camera if you can really tell how brittle this roof is, but we'll be able to see more clear when he strikes the hammer with the snake tool. See all that grain of loss falling down? Okay. So he just got done putting all nails in the first rows. So I will go over the shingles. As you can see right here, the roof is very brittle itself. It has a lot of grain loss, but as you can see, this line forming right here, that was not there when it was before the shingle got taken out. So we'll count this one, as well as up here. As you can see, this very transparent line right here forming across the shingle. It's 2 shingles, as well as right here, a lot of grain loss as well coming from the bottom, a little bit from the top. As you can see, this line forming right here. That's 3. We have a mat breaking line across this whole shingle, so we'll count this as 4. Right here as well, see this line forming right here. This is just a lot of grain loss forming, but towards the middle, going towards the left side, you can see this line. So this would be 5. This looks just like these shingles, a lot of grain loss, you can see right here. So we won't really count this one, but we'll definitely count this one because you can tell this has a line of mat breaking going on across the shingle as well. So we have a total of 6 shingles, as you can see right here. So by the way this video looks and all, this repair test has failed.